Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks, the place where your English grows stronger, your confidence rises higher, and your mindset becomes unstoppable. I'm so glad you're here today, because what we're about to talk about can truly change your life. Today's topic is simple but powerful. 25 things you must work on every single day. Not once a week, not once a month, every day. Because success is not built in one big moment. It's built in the small, consistent actions you take. And if you want to grow rich, not just in money, but in mindset, in confidence, in happiness, then these 25 things are your daily fuel. Let's begin with number 1. Your mindset. Your mindset is your foundation. Every morning, ask yourself, am I thinking like a winner or a worrier? Winners see opportunity. Worriers see obstacles. Train your mind to focus on growth. Read something positive. Listen to something uplifting. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you think strong, you live strong. Your English. Yes, every day. Speak a little. Listen a little. Read a little. Even if it's just 10 minutes. Language is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Watch English videos, repeat phrases, talk to yourself in English. You're not just learning a language, you're building a bridge to the world. Your health. Your body is your vehicle. If you don't take care of it, you won't go far. Move your body, stretch, walk, drink water. Eat something fresh. You don't need a gym. You just need commitment. A healthy body supports a powerful mind. Your goals, write them down. Look at them. Remind yourself why you started. Goals are not just dreams, they're destinations. And every day you must take one step toward them. Even a small step counts. 1 page written, 1 call made, 1 lesson learned. Your gratitude. Before you rush into the day, pause. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your energy. It turns stress into strength. It reminds you that even if you're not where you want to be, you're still blessed. Gratitude is the fuel of joy. Your discipline. Success is not about motivation, it's about discipline. Do what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. It's the quiet power behind every great result. Your focus. In a world full of distractions, focus is your superpower. Choose one task. Block out the noise. Finish it, then move to the next. Multitasking is a myth. Focus wins. When you focus, you finish. When you finish, you grow. Your communication. Speak clearly. Listen deeply. Ask questions. Express yourself. Whether it's in English or your native language, communication is connection. And connection builds trust, opportunity, and leadership. Your confidence. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build. Every time you try, every time you speak, every time you show up, you're building confidence. Stand tall. Speak up. Believe in your voice. 10. Your energy. Protect your energy. Don't waste it on gossip, negativity, or comparison. Your energy is precious. Spend it on growth, learning, and love. If something drains you, step away. If something lifts you, lean in. 11. Your learning. Learn something new every day. A new word. A new idea. A new skill. Learning keeps your mind sharp and your spirit alive. The more you learn, the more you earn. Not just money, but respect, wisdom, and freedom. Your environment. Clean your space. Organize your desk. Surround yourself with inspiration. Your environment affects your mood, your focus, and your productivity. Make it a place where success feels natural. Your relationships. Talk to someone you care about. Send a kind message. Listen without judgment. Relationships are the heart of life, and strong relationships are built with daily care, not occasional effort. Quo. Your time. Time is your most valuable resource. Don't waste it. Plan your day. Prioritize your tasks. Say no to what doesn't matter. Every minute is a choice. Choose wisely. 15. Your self-talk. What are you saying to yourself? I can't do this. Or I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm improving. Your inner voice becomes your outer reality. Speak to yourself like someone you love. 16. Your courage. Do one thing that scares you. Speak up, try something new. Take a risk. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's action in spite of fear. And every time you act with courage, you expand your life. 7. Your forgiveness. Let go of what's holding you back. Forgive others. Forgive yourself. Carrying anger is like carrying a heavy bag. It slows you down. Forgiveness is freedom. It clears your path. 18. Your creativity. Write, draw, sing, dance, create something. You don't have to be an artist, you just have to express. Creativity is joy. It's healing. It's your soul speaking. 19. Your finances. Check your spending. Save a little. Learn about money. Financial freedom starts with daily awareness. You don't need to be rich, you need to be smart. Money is a tool. Use it wisely. 20. Your purpose. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Purpose gives power to your actions. When you know your why, your how becomes easier. Purpose turns work into mission. Your patience. Growth takes time. Success takes time. Healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with the process. Trust the journey. You're not behind, you're becoming. 2. Your resilience. Life will knock you down. That's normal. What matters is how fast you get up. Resilience is your bounce back power. Build it every day. When you fall, rise stronger. Your kindness. Say something kind. Do something kind. Kindness is strength. It's leadership. It's influence. In a world that's often cold, be the warmth. Fear, your vision. See your future. Picture your success. Imagine your dream life. Vision creates direction, and direction creates momentum. If you can see it, you can move toward it. 25. Your faith. Believe in something bigger. Believe in yourself. Believe in the process. Faith is the light in the dark. It's the strength when you're tired. It's the hope when you're unsure. So now you know the 25 things you must work on every single day. Not just to improve your English, but to improve your life. These are not tasks. They are habits. They are choices. They are the bricks that build your future. And here's the truth. You don't need to master all 25 today. You just need to start. Pick one, practice it, then pick another. Let your days become your training ground. Let your mornings be your launch pad. Let your nights be your reflection, because every day is a gift. Every day is a chance to rise, to speak better, to think clearer, to grow stronger, to live richer. You are not here to be average. You are here to be extraordinary. And extraordinary people don't wait for motivation. They build discipline. They don't wait for luck. They create habits. They don't wait for permission. They take action. So take action. Speak your English. Speak your truth. Speak your future into existence. And remember, this is Mr. English Talks, where your voice matters, your growth matters, and your journey is just beginning. Keep going. Keep growing. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, stay grateful, and stay unstoppable.